This Dynaglow 5-burner LP gas grill has everything the backyard chef needs to grill for family and friends, with up to 703 total square inches of cooking space and 62,000 BTUs. 5 commercial-grade stainless steel burners power this grill, boasting a high-quality stainless steel finish, easy maintenance, and durability. Enameled steel heat tents protect the burners and distribute heat evenly across the cooking surface. The cooking grates have a heavy-gauge stainless steel rod construction, ideal for retaining and transferring heat directly to the food, and perfect for searing and locking in the food's natural juices. The double-walled lid minimizes heat loss and improves cooking efficiency. This grill facilitates your outdoor cooking with a Dynapulse push-button electronic ignition that emits a rapid pulse for quick and easy lighting, ample space for storing the propane tank, and heavy-duty resin wheels for easy mobility. It also features a 12,000 BTU side burner, a high-grade stainless steel control panel, an easy-to-read temperature gauge, chrome-plated control knobs with bezel, and a side shelf that offers space for food preparation. This LP gas grill is perfect for feeding your family and friends. So take your grilling to the next level with this Dynaglow Premium Gas Grill.